started.
Hello, my name is Brent Jacobs. I'm a Lokrite safety backup. And what we're going to show today is how to use the Lokrite system of a backup to actually lock flanges in place during fracking, to where you're actually holding the bolts in place during the application and the procedure when you frack. What we did was we put on a full set on the backhand side. So what you do is you put your full set on according to our full set procedures, and then what you do is you do your normal torquing. So after you get finished with your normal torquing, what we're going to do is on the back side of the flange, the side that you torqued on, we are going to put Lokrite on and use that to lock in the opposite side. Now, as you can see, we have about 1/4 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch sticking out of our tension bolt. So what we do is we start right here, or approximately in place in this area. We put it to where it's shooting so real close to that. And what we do is this. We take the next one in line, we back it up till it falls on the next set of hex points. As soon as it falls on the next set of hex points, then you can start doing the same thing all the way, going in this clockwise manner. You rock it back, falls on hex points, and it drops. And as you can tell, these are magnetic. So what happens is it holds themselves into place no matter the orientation of the flange. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the rest of these on right now. Now, you have a full set on both sides. Now what we're going to do on this side is this. As you can see, the distance in between the two Lokrites, you go ahead and you just run the nut up. Now I'm doing it by hand, but we normally use a wrench. And you make it to where it touches the next one in line. So what you're going to be doing is running it up all the way around, just until they touch, just slightly snug. You're going to use this procedure all the way around the full set. After you get to where all of them are touching, at that point in time you come back and you take the jam nut and you lock it in. So you just run the nut up, touch it, and lock. Now, after you've locked them in, it forms a complete chain and it forms a hard metal disc with the steel taking up the distance in between. At this point in time, you go ahead, you start your operation, you finish all your fracking. When it's done, this system, of course, is removable. All you do is come back, break your jam nut, break it loose, same thing on the next one, and you take it off. And as you can see, we're going to show this. They're magnetic, so they will stick to any steel no matter the orientation of the flange. Thank you very much.